Ted were friends. They liked to go camping in the woods. One day they packed their cars. They were going camping.
Good job.
What about this page?
Yeah, read that page right there.
Okay. They
Drove.
They drove to the woods. For Fred took many things. Ted took few things.
Wait, just skip a page. Hey.
They
Parked.
parked their car and
Walked.
walked into the woods.
Pay attention.
Fred liked this spot. Ted liked it too.
Good job.
Fred had a hard time with his tent.
Good job.
Ted had
N.
an easy time with his tent. I didn't even look at it. I was looking at the picture I just made up, but I actually said it.
Well, that means you're memorizing it.
Well, half of it I was looking at, so I looked at it.
Okay.
Ted.
No. Sound it out. You know that word. This word? Sound it out.
That
Mm-hmm.
night, Fred was awake. Ted was asleep.